Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change name in Spotify. Now there are two types of name in Spotify, display name and username. You cannot change your username because username is a bunch of code given to you by Spotify when you create your account. It totally depends on Spotify what type of username you get. But the display name, you can choose yourself. So for this, you need to click on your profile picture at the top left corner and click on where it says settings and privacy. I'm inside over here at the top, Vichy Kevin, that is basically my display name. I need to click on view profile and then I need to click on edit right below my profile picture. And then over here my name, click on it and then change it. So I'm going to change it from YouTuber to Vichy YouTube. This is going to be my new name. After I choose the name which I like, I can click on save at the top right and basically my display name will be changed. Now don't worry about it, nobody will be able to see your username. Your username is only visible to you. The display name is visible to everyone, so keep that in mind. And that is how you guys can change name in Spotify. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.